Okay.
Hi guys.
Hi. This is Z. And this is Ziha.
Okay, we
We are no, Ziha is in Singapore.
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't know what to say.
Okay. Okay. I have
uh,
a holiday with my family and meet Z. Z. I'm so excited today. So happy. You guys jealous, right?
You guys should meet up with everybody also. Yeah. And Ziha will be meeting
Amanda.
and the
Yeah, Amanda waiting for me.
Amanda.
I'm forever free now. Free.
Yeah, she's free, so everybody contact her. Please go to Malaysia and visit her because she's really bored.
Give money first. Money.
No, they must pay what? Someone must give you money.
Give me money.
Okay.
Just kidding.
We are going to say goodbye to each other right now because it's already almost 9:30.
And Z going home.
Yeah, from work.
She's so tired now.
Yeah, you see the place is so nice. See? Okay, we are saying goodbye now. And maybe God willing, I'm going to go to Malaysia and visit her place sometime.
Yeah,
also.
go. And I will drive. Yeah, drive.
Soon.
Again me.
Okay, bye.
Bye guys.
Bye Minjun. Bye Susan.
Bye.
Bye everybody in Kiruna Monkey. Bye. Mwah, mwah, bye.
Bye.